Hi, today I'll be telling you how to use a tool called Scribble. And this is just a great tool for any researcher who wants to interact with their resources online instead of just passively reading them. I really like Scribble for its ability to save work in the cloud, access it from any location, and then also collaborate with people around the world. When you get to Scribble, this is the home page you'll see. And when you're logged in or signed in, you can click on My Library, which is really the hub where all of your information is stored. A fun fact is that Scribble was founded by a Purdue grad, so you know that it will be a great resource to use. So setting up a Scribble account is really easy. It's also free. One suggestion would be to use your educator's email account. That'll get you the student edition, and you'll get some additional features for free, including the ability to share your library and also to create citations. Your students will also be able to get the free edition just by using their school email address. You'll have to install the Scribble toolbar, which is right up here, and it's a very simple process, just clicking on the button and dragging it up to the top of the screen when you're prompted to do so. There are many benefits to using this tool in the classroom or any educational setting. The first one is that it's just so user-friendly and it keeps students organized. That is the bottom line. So when you navigate to a website that you'd like to use in the Scribble form, you click on the Scribble toolbar and it automatically pulls everything up down here. It gives you a lot of possibilities. You can highlight text in about, I think it's 32 different colors. You can see there. You can create these sticky notes. Of course, my girls got really into the whole color coding thing. You can change the color of the text, underline things, etc., etc. I really like the legend feature. So students were labeling the different colors and color coding all of their resources to match. So body paragraph number 1 could be all in yellow. The citation button down here will create your works cited entry. And my students had fun, posting things to Twitter or sharing it on Facebook. So that was great for them. Additional features, I really think that this helped my students stay organized. You can create these tags, so you can say I have tags for the different classes I was taking. And that'll help your students if they're working on multiple projects at once. And if your library gets really full and cluttered, you can go through with different filters and decide what you really want to be seeing. Drawbacks to the tool. There are 2 drawbacks. The first one is you cannot use this for PDF files, but I mean that's not too big of a deal. And also, every once in a while I've noticed that the citations it generates might not be quite accurate, so you'll need to edit those. This tool is great for partnering. As you can see, you can share your library if you have users, other Scribble users that you're working on a project with. I also like it because it is really putting students into the role of researcher. It's a great scaffolding tool to use. You can even create your reports directly through Scribble by adding sources over here on your source list. Anything you've highlighted, any piece of information, will show up right here. This is great. You can click on the information and automatically add it in to your report. You can also create citations down here at the very bottom, and I would recommend using this for online publishing. Maybe if you're writing blogs or wikis, I think using this format would be a great thing to do. Despite a few drawbacks, Scribble is just a great tool to use. Many older researchers still rely on maybe paper copies, post-it notes, different colored highlighters to stay organized. And Scribble really caters to the researching needs of digital learners, and it's going to be a great asset to use in any partnering classroom. Thank you.